Hi friends, this is I'm showing you that for the Halloween these are two gloves that have a skeleton lights on it, and this have a battery inside. So let me open this pack first and show you. This come only in one size. My size is large and I think it should fit me. Let's see, it is one size fit all. So let me see. You can see that there is a button for the battery, and I'm putting it on my hand to see. And as I mentioned, I have the large size hand, so the large size gloves fit me well. And for this it's little tight, but still it fits well, and I don't see, so this still fits my hand well. And let me see if it works by pressing the button. I think this is a protective paper inside the battery, so let me just take it out. And you can see that there is a velcro that is in the back, and you have to pull this protective paper out so that the battery will be in use now. And once I close this, then I will put it back on my hand. And once I put it back, I will just press the button on. And here you can see the lights start coming up, so different color lights, and you can see the different effects on it. So if you press it once and press it second time, this is the next effect, like alternate, then the third, then the fourth, the blinking, the half of it, and I think on this the blinking this of the part and the rest of the part. So overall this is a nice glove set, so both work in the same fashion, blinking lights on the top of the hand like a skeleton. It's good for the Halloween.